For the most part, travel is amazing, but sometimes it ain't so great. We lost so much money, like we looked at our bank accounts and we've been hacked. But we've just been like bucked around with so much shit.
Up there with like the 2 worst consecutive days
Ever in my life. But let's just stick with the fun stuff. Oh, I see a little tatty. Little tatty.
Always poking his little feet out.
Yeah.
He's like,
hello. I kept thinking this hole is like mine now. Oh, like it's just mine. And that's the mirror. Say where we were. Oh, we're in Copenhagen. You're an asshole. I'm gonna close up really close to your face. You better be saying I'm really sorry.
did I ruin your shot? I had no idea. I was just riding.
Why not? There's so many of these segway things. But we'll come back when it's not cold, cause ain't nobody got time for chilling. And I even like did up my jacket like a weirdo. It's like
That's so cute.
I hate it.
Hashtag OOTD.
Do I like denim?
I don't know, do you?
I don't know, I should have denim stockings.
Probably.
Denim shoes and a denim hat.
Oh yeah, work it girl, work it girl, work it girl, yeah.
Joe and the Juice is like the Starbucks of Scandinavia. It's like, how can you not? Look at that all. All I got in my head is, I'm a stallion, baby. But basically, we didn't even go to Tivoli Gardens. We got the ticket, but it wasn't our ticket. We got the ticket. But, I don't know, like, we thought it was the ticket to enter, but it was just the tickets for the ride. So you had to pay, like, even more to enter. So we were like, no. Oh, look at the hole. So now we've come to another theme park today, which is supposed to be like the oldest one in the world, Lauren. Yay! I love popcorn!
Bananas that I've eaten over the past 2 days is pretty.
You're turning into like
crazy.
Freely.
I just failed.
What's he saying?
I didn't know it had mayonnaise in it, did I?